With Waybiller, you will get a real-time overview of your operations inside the quarry, improved accuracy on the data, and your company will become paperless. Digitalizing a quarry requires integrating the scale systems with Waybiller. This allows us to get the weighing data automatically into our server. By mapping out all activities performed in the quarry, we are able to make automated data movements and document creation for internal activities and for sales activities. The loader operator selects the activity from the smart device that is going to be performed in the quarry. If an internal activity, such as from the crusher to pile, is selected, the loader operator must specify which assortment is going to be moved. The loader operator will move the material from under the crusher to the warehouse, and when finished, sends the sum of all scoops to Waybiller for confirmation. The loader operator confirms the activity, and an automatic stock movement happens. This allows us to have real-time stock standings at all times. After finishing, the loading loader operator will select the next activity from the smart device.